Hello, witty people. I am Joaquin Mariano de Moreta Folk, Oregon Statewide Common Law Grand Jury, and I have received an order from the Committee of Safety to intervene as the Common Law Grand Jury to enforce the rule of law through the 25 jurors that are elected at our pleasure from our friends to enforce the law and to remove from office any officer that is not complying with their oath of office. Right now, we have a big problem in our city of Burns in Harney County, and there has been a slaughter, a ambush, breaking all the rules of law of the Constitution, multiple laws, and we have been called by the victims to intervene. You can see that in our website, WeThePeopleCommunLawGrandJury.com. It's my duty to respond to that call and to start immediately the criminal investigation, so I will present the evidence to the 21 grand jurors who are the last word. And whatever they order, whatever they issue a fact, that fact cannot be re-examined in any court of the United States. You can see that in the Constitution in the Amendment 7. No fact tried by the jury shall be re-examined in any courts of the United States and under the common law. We are here, and it's my duty to tell you that you are not abandoned, that you are not alone, and that there is nothing that you can do. I want you to know that we enforce the law without violence. We go like in our government, that we are in the form of the republic form of government, which means that we strictly go by the rule of law. Please do not confront these de facto officers that are bullying everybody, and they are acting like kings, that they are not accountable to the law. They are. What can you do? You think that you cannot do nothing, but there is something very important that you can do, which is first, when they approach you, please take the picture of that individual that claimed that he is an officer from the FBI or an officer from the court, or he is a deputy from the clerk, or he is a state trooper. You need to find out if he is really truly a officer, de jure officer. How can you find that? First, take his picture. We need that evidence. Second, ask that individual for his oath of office to show it to you. That is his duty. If he don't have it, he's not an officer. Ask him for his surety bond. Means that he must have an insurance to make sure that if he damaged you, he caused you any damage, his insurance will pay for those damages. And then fourth, you gotta ask for their property that they own to be clear and ready for sale, encumbered, and that he owned it, and that is put there as a surety bond, so if he hurts you, we can take that property for him. After you ask that question and you gather that information, that is very important. Then, when he comes to you with any question, tell him that you want to see that order from the judge. Why he's asking you, where is your name, and show you that that is signed by the judge. What he want to seizure and what persons are gonna be, seized. You can read that in the Bill of Rights or Bill of Prohibition that is in the Constitution. Look for that amendment number 4. If you do that, you will help us very much to hold accountable each individual. That's what you can do today. Don't be violent, don't confront them. Get your cameras, get their photos, and get that information. If they don't give it to you, record it. Record them telling you that they don't have that. That is a crime. And we will enforce that rule of law and show that as evidence. Don't fight them and be wise and smart. Our Lord, who is our leader, is telling us that my people is silent for lack of knowledge. Now you know what you can do. For last, our Lord tell us that the truth shall set you free. That's how we are going to win, with the truth. You must know that you are not alone, that the common law grand jury is working 24/7 to respond immediately to the multiple aggressions that we have by these corporations, name it BLM, FBI, the sheriff office, the court office. They are all corporations, and they should not. They should be working for us, for we the people, not as a corporation for profit to make money. We are here. You are not alone. You will know information from us through our website, we the people common law grand jury.com. You have multiple information of crimes that we have prosecuted and we have achieved very important results. We are not talking. We are walking and we are doing things to protect us from these tyrants. I have to say to you that you have a lot of courage, that we are winning, and that you are not alone. We are at the side of our Lord. We have the truth, and that's why we are winning. I hope and I best wishes for you, and I asking our Lord to protect each one of all of us in all our goings and in all our comings. I will report to you again. Please come back to our website and you will know what we are doing. Okay? Thank you very much and God bless. Bye now.